Hey there, and welcome back to another video with Coinwire. My name is Dale, and today I'll be showing you the best BYBIT referral code in 2024 that you can use to earn up to $30,000 in rewards and 10% off of your trading fees for life. Let's go. Okay, so BYBIT is easily one of the leading exchange in the world. They are sitting at currently top 3 in spot market and top 2 in derivatives market, just behind Binance, right? So they are a perfect choice for newcomers and also pro traders alike seeking for a trustworthy, secure, and user-friendly exchange that gives out huge rewards. Now, if you want to be eligible for all of those incentives, make sure to use our referral code, CWREFCODE, on the screen or in the description, in the chat. You know how it is. Now, if you don't know how to use the referral code, that's simple because I'll be showing you, okay? This video, I'll be focusing on 2 main topics. The first one is how to apply the referral code and earn the incentives. And second, what are the incentives for and how can you use them, okay? So let's go. Before we begin, I just want you to know that we also have an article written on our website, coinwire.com, that specifically instructs you on how to do or apply the referral code. So make sure to check that out, link in description. But here we go. If you use our referral code, CWREFCODE, then you will be eligible up to $30,000 in welcome rewards. The first stage is $15, then $100, and then $800, $5,000, and then the final stage is $30,000. There are 2 ways that you can use our referral code. The first way is to click on the link in the description. If you click on the link in the description, which is also the link in our article right here, then that would lead you to the sign up page of BYBIT. The step is very simple. Just fill in your email or mobile phone number and then fill in a password. This next step is very important. You need to keep this in mind. Under the referral code, even though it's optional, there has to be our referral code, CWREFCODE, and it has to be green with a green check in order for you to get the welcome gifts. If you don't have this code, you will not be eligible. So after everything is done, just click on Get My Welcome Gifts, complete the puzzle, and fill in the verification code which is sent to your email. And that's it. You're done. The first reward that you can get is a $20 welcome reward. Just click on Claim Now. After clicking on Claim Now, this Rewards Hub page should show up and show you all of the rewards that you can get. Now, the first reward is the 20 USD, but you have to complete your identity verification, which is basically KYC, and it is very standard to all of the other exchanges. So make sure to finish your KYC to receive this $20 and to receive all of the remaining rewards. You have to be KYC'd. If you scroll down to the Rewards Hub, you can see that there are a bunch of tasks and rewards available for the newcomer. This is a brand new account, by the way. So you have the lucky task, you have the newcomer exclusive, you also have the jackpot that you can spin, very fun, and you can also earn 200,000 X token. The instructions are very simple. For example, the register to earn 200,000 X token, you need to KYC and you need to trade $500 of the X/USDT pair. Remember to read the rules though, okay? Just click on the rules and read everything. Now here comes the big boy, okay? The $30,000 plus in welcome rewards. Just click on the full rewards and you can see all of the criteria that you need to meet in order to get those, okay? If you want to get the $15, then you need to deposit $100 and trade $100. If you want to get $50, for example, you need to deposit $1,000 and trade $2,000. You need to do both in order to be eligible. If you want to get $30,000 though, then you need to deposit $250,000 with a trading volume of $150 million. Obviously, only whales can do this, but hey, I believe in you. Just keep on trading and keep on cryptoing. You might get there. Alright, now that you have all of these rewards, how can you use them? Can you withdraw them to your wallet? Well, the answer is no. You can read this under the frequently asked questions, but basically the bonuses that you receive on BYBIT cannot be withdrawn to your wallet. It can only be used as margin, for example. It can also be used to cover trading losses and to offset trading fees for perpetuals and futures contracts prior to users' own capital. It cannot be withdrawn, while profits from trading with bonuses can be withdrawn. Now, when it comes to the coupons, the BYBIT coupons can be used to offset trading fees for perpetuals and futures contracts. Spot is not included, and coupons will be deducted to cover fees prior to users' own capital. That is a lot to explain, but basically what that means is, for example, when you complete the identity verification, you will get a 20 USDT as coupons or bonuses. You cannot withdraw this 20 USDT. All that you can do with this USDT is to use them to pay or cover for your trading loss or your trading fees. Let's say you're trading futures and you are losing like $30. Then you can use this $20 coupon to offset that loss, to cover for the loss. So now you are only losing $10. So yeah, that is how you use the best BYBIT referral code in 2024 and how the rewards in BYBIT are used. I hope that you have fun in this video, and thank you very much for watching. Make sure to check out all of our links down in the description and in the chat. Thank you very much and take care. Daily out.